Hello friends. Now the last topic relating to the use of the technology is use of the data CD, which we can say compact discs. So it is very important thing. In earlier days, when the computer was in beginning ages, in days of 1990s, people were using floppies 1.44 MB, 1.2 MB. This was the biggest storage space on one floppy, and today we are using compact disk more than its storage space on CD, right? So now the question comes, these compact disks are useful in so many fields for keeping the movies, music, your own programs. But here in term of the economics, the data CDs are useful. Now the question comes, which kind of the data? The data CD presented by or prepared by different authorities and agencies of government, as like the National Sample Survey Organization. It is an example I am giving. They are preparing yearly data on CDs of your accumulated or collected information. Thereafter, CDs made by the census. It is about the population. So they are also preparing CDs. Such kind of the CDs are useful for research, for educational point of view, and these CDs are useful for making further future plans and programs. So now question comes, which are the example to keep CDs of National Income Account of India, CDs of Census of India, CDs of Annual Survey of Industries in India, CDs of NSSO, CDs prepared by ministries, different ministries of Government of India in statistical manner for their own respective data. Okay. Thereafter, Center for Monitoring Indian Economy, CMIE, are preparing their certain data, but their data is not available on the CDs. Their data is available on the softwares, and usually it is available sometimes on the websites also. So these softwares are useful after purchase, but also it is costly. So who utilize it? Different research institutes and corporations are using it. So here you have to keep in your mind how the data are useful. You have already understood. But now the data is not only useful by words, but data is useful by preserving it in proper manner is required. So what kind of the difficulties may come in preserving them? The difficulties may come in preserving them about its size, right? So sometime CDs may also becoming less space having. So it is required to be keep multiple CDs for specific larger data, right? Also one problem may come in keeping the CDs with us is virus affecting to the CDs. So but these days so many softwares to scan the virus are available, but it is a problem which I am explaining. So knowledge regarding this thing you have to keep in your mind. Okay, one thing more. All data may not be required at all time, but relevant data is useful at specific time. So to collect the CD and which CD at which time we use is more important to be understand. So all time all CDs cannot be required, but one CD can be useful at one time and other CD can be useful at other time, right? So here we have explained two things. First I explained about use of the data series in regarding the study, and second I explained about the which difficulties are coming in use of data series. Okay.